My name is Rohit Colaço. I am the Chief AI Architect at Malbek.
My name is Madhu Poolu. I am the CTO and co-founder. At Malbek, we have a fantastic engineering culture where it's mainly focused on ownership. Every engineer owns what they build. They get all their customer input and make it really iterative and collaborative to work with the rest of the organization.
People are very approachable, and we really foster innovation, leveraging AI to work more efficiently. We really push for folks to do their best job of their lives. We don't build anything in silos. Being a student for life is really important.
AI is very, very center to our innovation. We want to make sure whatever we design, security and compliance, usability, it's all centered around customer need.
Bringing out and building out a delightful user experience for our customers is number one. But then marrying that with AI together is something that we are really focused on in building out software products within the engineering team. What excites me the most is really, how it's making people's lives more efficient. I've always been a very strong believer of trying to work efficiently rather than harder. And I think AI really enables us to do that.
Traditionally, AI has been more reactive, so obligation tracking, clause redlining. With the advent of generative AI, we are more focused into proactive. How do we surface valuable insights from your contract repository into customers using natural language queries, using the latest techniques to get the best value out of your repository?
And then not just using AI for the sake of using AI, but really to solve true business problems that exist. Providing a solution that is scalable, works for large enterprises, and then also performs really well.
We take customer feedback really seriously.
Here at Malbek, we make sure our engineers are very aware of what customers say.
Every engineer, every architect really looks at the customer feedback every step of the way, from taking the requirements to the design, to the implementation, to the testing, all the way to the release.
The true value that an engineer gets from building something out is when they see a smile or a sense of gratitude from a customer, and that feedback comes back directly to them. We've solved some pretty hard problems here at Malbek in the last year.
More recently, we've been working with our newest Word plugin that's going to be much better, much more usable, faster response, great user experience. The second one is the Business IQ. This is where we would go and then ask natural language questions. We are very excited. I think it's going to be a game changer.
When you work with large enterprises with hundreds of thousands of contracts and being able to very quickly search for them, be able to analyze contracts and be able to leverage that in making critical decisions, that's a pretty hard problem to solve. And we've been very successful in that endeavor.
I think these are great times, especially with the generative AI, which we can take advantage and help our customers realize their business outcomes.
Be a student for life, have a relentless focus on customers, and just love what you're doing.